Hey everybody, welcome to another amazing adventure of Adventure Joe. I'm Adventure Joe, this is Minnesota Tea, and this is the Christmas, birthday, New Year's Eve special of Lifetime. We're going camping, we're heading out to the Michigan State National Forest. I'm super excited about that. Is it Michigan State National Forest or is it Michigan State Forest?
I don't think you can have state and national.
Yeah, and anyways, and then after we go camping and we show you some cool stuff, we're gonna go check out Frankenmuth and live it up in Christmas Town. Let's get this adventure started.
Windshield wipers?
No. Never. Never have, never will.
Do you find that unsafe?
I can see fine.
Do you think it's safe?
I think we're doing okay.
I didn't ask how we're doing, I'm saying, do you think it's safe?
Yes. Safe enough.
You're gonna dig in there, huh?
Yep. Sit right on that one.
Minnesota Tea saying, I hope we make it to camp.
One of the most important things about camping out in the middle of the winter time is you gotta stay warm. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get camp set up right away. And yeah, we're gonna get a fire going. Should we get the fire started now? Probably while we're getting camp set up.
Yeah, if you wanna, yeah.
I can get something. All right, so we're gonna get the fire going. And yeah, let's get camp set up and so we can enjoy ourselves. So this is the way I like to build my fires. I know everybody has their own method. I have the wet wood on the outside so it has time to dry. And I'm just gonna load up the middle with a bunch of tiny little sticks. The best thing to do is look for pine trees. Pine trees are great. These little branches right here, just snap these off. And that will give you the dry wood you need to build a fire.
While collecting bark for dry firewood, we stumbled across these little guys. These are just your everyday ladybugs. They're hibernating. Ladybugs are the most active from spring until fall, and when the weather turns cold, they look for a warm, secluded place to hibernate. Usually that's in rotting logs, under rocks, or even inside houses. They can be considered a pest. See how slow they're moving? Their body temperature is so cold because it's only 29 degrees outside. They just can't move very fast.
Merry Christmas from Minnesota Tea and Adventure Joe.
Yeah, I did it without burning myself.
it was a chilly night last night. It got down to probably about 24, 25. Minnesota's still in bed. So one of the best things you can ever have for breakfast while you're camping is a Scotch egg. And if you don't know what a Scotch egg is, you boil an egg, you wrap it in breakfast sausage, then you wrap a piece of bacon around that, bake it for about 450 degrees for about 40 minutes, and then all you gotta do is throw them on the fire, heat them up, and you get these little balls of deliciousness. And they're fantastic. We made it to Frankenmuth! Woo!
Hey everybody, Minnesota T here. I wanted to introduce you to our next adventure. We are here at the Montague Mansion in Saginaw, Michigan. Turns out we have the run of this place. We ended up being the only ones here, and the caretaker has given us permission to run the whole place, run through the entire thing, and ghost hunt at our leisure. So far, what we know about this mansion is that there are secret closets, so I'm excited to explore some of this. Are you ready, Adventure Joe?
Let's get this adventure started.
We finally found some history about the Montague Inn. It was built for Mr. Robert Montague. He had the mansion built for him in 1929. It is 13,000 square feet. He developed a formula for an additive to hand cream and soap out of sugar beets, and ended up selling his business, his company, to the Jurgens Company. Mrs. Montague was known for bringing in wounded soldiers during World War II. When we arrived here, we found out from the caretaker that this place is indeed haunted, and there's actually been a fairly popular Michigan-based paranormal expert that has done a entire investigation here, as well as many other paranormal teams, and they have all collected evidence.
Thank you for watching the amazing adventures of Adventure Joe. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tell your friends, and always remember to chase your dreams.